Welcome back to the channel Mr. Wheel Wonders. Today we're diving into one of the most impressive modern motorhomes you'll see on the road, a perfect blend of comfort, innovation, and adventure-ready design. If you're someone who loves the open road, peaceful campsites, and the freedom to explore without leaving the comfort of home, then this luxurious motorhome is going to grab your attention from the very first moment. So sit back, relax, and let's take a full journey through its exterior, interior, features, and everything that makes it a true powerhouse for travelers. From the outside, the motorhome immediately stands out with its sleek aerodynamic shape and elegant white paint finish. The long side profile, fitted with tinted windows and subtle gray graphics, gives it a very premium appearance. The designers clearly wanted it to feel like a home on wheels but with the stylish touch of a high-end vehicle. The front end follows a modern van-inspired look, highlighted by sharp LED headlights and a wide panoramic windshield that gives the driver maximum visibility. Whether you're passing through a busy city or cruising on a long highway, the view from the cockpit feels open and commanding. Moving along the side, you notice the practical details that make traveling effortless. There's a large electric awning mounted at the top, offering instant shade when you park at a campsite. Multiple storage compartments are integrated neatly below, giving you space for tools, gear, or camping equipment. Every detail is designed to make your journey smoother, from the utility hookups to the ventilation grills and the easy access door that leads you inside. Even the alloy wheels add a touch of class, showing that luxury wasn't sacrificed in any area. Now stepping inside, this is where the motorhome truly shines. The interior feels like a modern apartment, filled with soft lighting, premium materials, and a layout designed to maximize space. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by the lounge area, featuring an L-shaped sofa that's perfect for relaxing after a long day of travel. The dining table is positioned in a way that allows family or friends to sit together comfortably, whether it's time for a meal or an evening chat. Overhead cabinets line the walls, giving you extra storage while keeping the space clean and uncluttered. Everything has a place, and nothing feels crowded. The cockpit area is equally impressive, fitted with plush captain's chairs that swivel around to become part of the living space. The digital dashboard, wide windows, and comfortable seating make long drives enjoyable rather than tiring. It feels like you're driving something built for exploration, yet luxurious enough to keep you comfortable no matter how long the journey. Right next to the lounge, you'll find the fully equipped kitchen. It features a stainless steel sink, a modern induction cooktop, a microwave, and a generous amount of counter space. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or a full meal, the layout makes cooking easy and enjoyable. The cabinets and drawers feel solid and premium, because in a mobile home, durability matters just as much as aesthetics. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom feels like a cozy retreat. The bed is spacious and inviting, with soft lighting and windows on the sides to let natural light in. Built-in wardrobes give you the space you need for clothes and essentials, making this motorhome ideal for long-term travel. Waking up here, surrounded by peaceful scenery, truly feels like a dream for adventure lovers. Next to the bedroom, you'll find the bathroom, designed with a modern touch. It comes with a glass shower enclosure, a stylish sink, high-quality fittings, and enough storage for toiletries. It's compact but surprisingly functional, giving you all the comfort you'd expect from a home bathroom. At the back of the motorhome, the clean and modern exterior design continues. Tall LED taillights ensure visibility, and the high-mounted camera helps with reversing and parking. The rear storage door gives you additional space for bulky items. Overall, this motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a complete lifestyle upgrade for anyone who loves to travel without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long cross-country adventure, this machine brings luxury, practicality, and freedom together in one place. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want to see more amazing vehicles, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned because Mr. Wheel Wonders always brings you the best on wheels.